Today, I'm showing you how to add a photo background to your Instagram story on your Android device. Let's get started. Step 1, choose your background photo. First, decide which photo you want to use as your story background. Make sure it's saved in your phone's gallery. Step 2, open Instagram. Open the Instagram app on your Android phone. Step 3, create story. Swipe right from the home feed or tap your profile picture with the plus sign to create a new story. Step 4, select background content. Choose the background photo you have in your gallery. This will be your main story element. Step 5, open sticker menu. Tap the sticker icon at the top of the screen. It looks like a square smiley face. Step 6, access gallery sticker. In the sticker menu, find and tap the gallery/photo icon. This allows you to add photos from your gallery as stickers. Step 7, select photo. Choose the photo you want to use on the background from your gallery. Step 8, resize the photo and background as you desire. Step 9, add more elements, optional. You can add text, stickers, music, or other elements on top of your custom photo background. Step 10, post to story. Tap your story to post or send to specific people using the Send To option. And that's it. You've successfully added a custom photo background to your Instagram story on your Android device.